The faces on each of 2 fair dice are numbered 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. When the 2 dice are tossed, what is the probability that their sum will be an even number? The choices are 4/9, 1/2, 5/9, 3/5, and 2/3. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key idea. A sum of 2 whole numbers is even only when both numbers are even, or when both numbers are odd. So let's count the even faces and the odd faces on each die. The even faces are 2 and 8. That's 2 of the 6 faces. The odd faces are 1, 3, 5, and 7. That's 4 of the 6 faces. Now we combine the 2 cases. The chance both dice are even is 2/6 times 2/6, which is 4/36. The chance both dice are odd is 4/6 times 4/6, which is 16/36. Add the 2 cases together. 4/36 plus 16/36 is 20/36, which simplifies to 5/9. So the answer is choice C, 5/9.